When preparing for pregnancy, there are a variety of essential items that can help support comfort, health, and well-being throughout the journey. Number 1. Prenatal vitamins. Folic acid, critical for preventing neural tube defects in early pregnancy. Iron, to support increased blood volume. Calcium and vitamin D, for bone health and baby's development. Number 2. Comfortable maternity clothing. Maternity bras provide extra support as your breasts grow. Stretchy maternity pants, leggings, adjustable and comfortable for your growing belly. Maternity undergarments, specially designed to offer comfort around the waist. Number 3. Pregnancy pillow, supports proper alignment while sleeping and eases back or pelvic pain. Full body pillows like the U-shape or C-shape pillows are popular. Number 4. Belly support band provides support for your lower back and helps carry the extra weight comfortably. Number 5. Water bottle, staying hydrated is key, as pregnancy increases your fluid needs. Number 6. Comfortable footwear, as your feet may swell. Comfortable, supportive shoes can prevent strain and discomfort. Number 7. Body moisturizer prevents and soothes dry, itchy skin, which is common as your belly expands. Look for products that contain natural ingredients like cocoa butter to reduce the chances of stretch marks. Number 8. Maternity belt, useful for women experiencing back pain. This belt helps alleviate discomfort. Number 9. Healthy snacks, keep healthy, nutrient-rich snacks like nuts, fruits, and whole grains handy to combat hunger and boost energy between meals. Number 10. Exercise equipment. Yoga mat, great for pregnancy yoga or stretching exercises that keep your body flexible. Exercise ball, helpful for stretching, easing back pain, and later on, even for labor exercises. Thanks so much for watching. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it.